Hi, I'm Darren with ShipERP. Today, I'm going to help you save costs at your next carrier contract negotiation. Freight costs are a significant expense for most businesses, especially when unchecked errors compound at scale and result in overcharges. Fortunately, with freight auditing software, you can create user-friendly reports to help you effectively negotiate carrier contracts. Here's how. Random auditing is crucial at uncovering invoice discrepancies, and freight audit automation makes that process even easier. Finding these discrepancies can provide the leverage you need to negotiate for credits or discounts towards your next carrier contract, assuming, of course, the discrepancies are in your favor. Freight auditing also increases visibility in reports and extracts data, such as total freight costs, high shipping months, and unusual expenses, all to provide you with the insights necessary to score crucial negotiation points. For example, suppose you determine your freight isn't accurately utilizing the total freight capacity. In that case, you may be able to reduce the number of times your products are shipped out, thereby drastically reducing freight costs. You'll also find the more accurate reports lead to decreased turnaround time. And it makes sense. Effective control of invoicing means the data you enter is correct. Correct data means accurate reports, and accurate reports mean less time correcting errors, and more time growing your business and negotiating new contracts. So, if you're ready to take the next step toward freight auditing, click the link for this video. Until next time, this has been Darren with ShipERP. Thanks for stopping by.